from KSM Group. Today I'm going to introduce you to another happy Xero user, David Chen. David owns and operates several businesses, including aesthetic dental right here on the Gold Coast. He's been a client of KSM Group for over 3 years, and during that time his business has grown quickly. And as a consequence, we identified that he needed a more robust, bespoke accounting system to grow with his business. David was previously using Excel spreadsheets, which he found both time-consuming and limiting. With the seamless implementation of Xero, David not only has more time to focus on what he does well, but now has a clear idea of how his business is tracking in real time. He also has complete control of the balance of accounts for his business and has even saved costs with bookkeeping. So come on, let's go and meet David right here in Bundall at his dental practice.
Just like Excel spreadsheets and all that, which was kind of annoying. So yeah. Well, it was too much paperwork. Like it's putting it in and then having to go back and check it all again, and then again and again and again. It's just crazy. Time consuming. Yeah, and also it's just like when you have to go back and find stuff, it's not as easy to find. Nothing is categorized. You have to sort stuff out yourself, and then like different tabs and then different columns, rows, and then it doesn't have everything you need because it's, in the end it's an X and a Y axis. You don't have like a Z axis as well, so it just becomes difficult. 3 sort of businesses. One I'm using as a contractor company. The other one is an actual company which runs this practice, and another one that actually is a servicing company that will service my other practices. I started it probably September last year, and yeah. Originally I had my contractor company, which was okay. Excel was like doing the job fine for like maybe a couple of months, and then Robert introduced me to Xero, so I used Xero, and yeah, after that it was just like, oh, this is really easy. And then once I got the 2 new companies, I was like, I just put it all on Xero. Also, the other thing is you don't get like gross figures as well. Like I find like Xero is good because it has like graphs and telling you how your intake is going, your like say month to date, that kind of stuff, like where your expenses are going is categorized rather than this is all your expenses and then you don't know where all your money's going. So you can actually figure out percentages, so that way you can control your like outgoings a bit better. Yeah, and then you can compare it to what you're bringing in, then you know how much profit you're making. I had 2 sessions with one of the accountants at the firm, and then after that it was just by email if I had any questions, and it was pretty self-explanatory after that anyway. It's just the initial setup which took a while because it's like, oh, you have to learn all the initial stuff well, actually the accountant did most of it. She set it all up, just went through it with me, and then after that it's just like, yeah, just do what she told me, that's it. To do 3 companies, I might go on once a week. Well, if I really want to, I can do it once a day, but then I only spend like 5 minutes a day. But if I want to do it once a week, it'd be like 20 minutes a day. Well, see, firstly it saved me having a bookkeeper, which saves one expenditure. And the other thing is when you can do this stuff in the amount of time that was given, it saved me maybe, like per month it would save me like a couple of days worth of work. And then, you know, I could put that to doing other stuff, like, you know, I can manage the business a bit better. And when you can see the facts and figures a bit better, you can also like cut down on stuff that you don't need and, you know, help the business basically cut the bottom line a little bit more. Oh, I have, like my business partner, he has like 3 other practices. Yeah, so I've introduced him to use that, and they're going to switch from MYOB to Well, I just like how fast everything's sorted. Like, it used to be I send them an email, I could wait like a couple of weeks before I get anything, like with other people that I deal with, like even the lawyers and all that. But with Robert, it's like straight away, next day they'll give me a call or return an email, and it's like, that's being sorted, it'll be done by this time. And it's good because there's always deadlines. It's not like dragged on and you just don't know when it's going to be done. Because I really hate writing something in my diary and then just not knowing when it's going to be done. Yeah, so I really like, it's like, this is going to be done at this date. That's being like sorted out right now. So I reckon, well, my parents are using KSM now too. Same as my business partner as well.